Hey everybody, today we're going to talk about the NerdQaxe++, power faults, and how to replace your fuse. I've got a digital voltometer here. I'm going to set it over to ohms. So if you suspect that your QX++ has blown its fuse, this also works for the QX+, we can go ahead and give it a test. Again, digital voltometer, we're going to check across the fuse, which is located right here. This little guy right here. If you purchased your NerdQaxe++ from us here at Ixtech, this is how we take it out of the case. You're going to have two Allen screws, one here and one here. Those are 2mm Allens. You're going to take those out, and I've got this in the vertical position. We're going to unplug our fan connector, and then we're going to route our fan connector up and out. Up and out through the top. I've got my screws out already. On the back side, in our cable management, you simply twist these and they'll come out of their holders. I'm twisting these clockwise and it's out. So when you go to reinsert them, you just simply turn them sideways, slide them, and twist them back in the spot. This whole entire white portion will slip out of its foot. So if you hold on to it tight, lift it right out. I've got it upside down. Kind of holding it carefully here. Actually, I've got it set on the bench now. The cord kind of hanging off the bench. We can lift this whole unit out and fish the wire back out with the cable management hole. And now our board is fully out and exposed. I'm going to check my good fuse first, and we can see on our screen I'm getting 0.1 ohms. Take the lead off, it's OL. 0.1 ohms, that's a good fuse. This is a bad fuse here, and we see my meter still shows, oh well, it's open, it's bad. Now to replace our fuse, I'm going to take a 1.5mm flathead screwdriver. This happens to be from Snap-on part number SGDE215. You can see it there on your screen. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my flathead screwdriver, my 1.5mm flat screwdriver, and I'm going to come in from the top just like this, flat side down. A little light pressure. It'll cause the screwdriver to go between the fuse and the holder very lightly, and I'm just going to pivot it right out. The fuse pops right out. We'll pull our fuse, we'll put a brand new fuse in, and we'll test it again. Now, many things can cause a fuse to blow. Overclocking and getting beyond the limits of the fuse on the amp draw, temperature variations, things of that nature. It's always good to swap your fuse first. If it's bad, if you have a short on the board, it could very well pop the fuse again. Lots of things can cause that, but that is how you replace the fuse. Now the standard fuse in the plus is 8 amps, as you can see on your screen. That is the standard setup. We offer both the 8 amp and an upgraded 10 amp fuse on our website at ixtech.xyz. That is ixtech.xyz. You can pick them up there. We ship all around the world. It's not a problem. Give us a shot, take a look. That's how you replace your fuse on a NerdQaxe++. Thanks.